Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle, parking brake set, rear wheels choked, and the transfer case placed as your manual specifies. Once secure, crawl under the front axle with safety glasses and a 3/8-inch ratchet and extension. Locate the electronic front sway bar disconnect motor on the driver's side frame near the track bar. You'll see a harness and the motor housing. Now remove the harness clip. Then use the ratchet to loosen the electrical connector cover. This gives you access to manually disconnect the sway bar and prepare for free articulation. Once the motor cover is off, you'll find the manual release hex or square input. You insert a 3/8-inch extension or proper tool and rotate clockwise until the linkage releases. You'll feel a detent when it unlatches. After the manual release, cycle the switch inside the cab to the disconnect position, check that the sway bar arms move freely, and visually confirm both sway bar ends hang slightly down. If you see binding, walk the wheel through travel to ensure full articulation and no pinched wires. To finish, re-engage the sway bar by rotating the manual release in the opposite direction until you hear or feel a positive click. Make sure the linkages align. Once done, reconnect the electrical cover and harness clip, then use the cab switch to verify the motor returns the linkage to locked position. If it won't engage, inspect the fuse, wiring harness, and motor for corrosion or damage. If needed, replace the motor or consult a specialist. One key troubleshooting tip: if the switch fails, check the fuse first before replacing the motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.